once you've made the purchase order, let's say that order comes in and you're going to receive the inventory. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to receive the inventory, and we're going to receive the inventory with a bill. This is going to put a bill into the system automatically. All right. So who's the vendor? The vendor is going to be Joe's Computer Supplies. Now it says one or more purchase orders exist for this vendor. Do you want to receive against that purchase order? So, you know, it remembers that, and it has that built right in. So of course we do. And it says which purchase order do you want to use? Well, we use this one over here. We'll click on OK. Now notice how the item filled in down here. Let's say you ordered 50, but only 25 came in, or whatever quantity. You can change that right on this screen. So a lot of times we do just get a partial shipment, so it is flexible enough to handle that. So this time we'll do 50, but I'm just saying we could change that on the receipt here. So if the terms are different, you can change that. Otherwise, that defaulted right from the vendor screen. The memo, the item, the description. So all of this came right over from the purchase order. Now I'll pick on Save and Close, and now that bill has been entered. Now that should have updated our chart of accounts. Let's pick on Lists, Chart of Accounts, and notice how now we have an accounts payable that was not there before. So now we owe $50. By the way, on this screen, you can double click and then get the detailed transactions of what that's all about. You can see we owe $50 to Joe's Computer Supplies. So I'm going to close that. And you can see that the inventory asset actually went up. All right, because we now have more mouse pads than we did before. That number went up. And our accounts payable went up. So you can see how the chart of accounts is being reflected when I close this out. Now that's just receiving the inventory against a bill. On the next video, we can actually enter a bill separately besides that.